process which is necessary for survival of living being is called life processes. Process which is necessary for survival of living being are called life processes. In life process, living beings need nutrition for getting energy to perform work. Hence, it get nutrition by the process of digestion. In living being, there are two types of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition and second one is heterotrophic mode of nutrition.
एक बार फिर से बोल दीजिए।
In case of autotrophic mode of nutrition, there are two type of nutrition in living beings, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Two types of nutrition found in living beings, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic mode of nutrition, autotrophic mode of nutrition only taken place in case of living organism which having chlorophyll. Autotrophic mode of nutrition only taken place in case of living organism which having chlorophyll. That means auto means self and trophic means made. Those organisms which make their own food by themselves is called autotrophic organism. Auto means self and trophic means made. Those organisms which make their own food by themselves is called autotrophic organism. क्या हो गया हुआ है? कोई भी न्यूट्रिशन या कोई भी फूड आप तैयार करते हो, देन यू गॉट सम रॉ मटेरियल. Similarly, in case of autotrophic nutrition, you must need raw material such as carbon dioxide that will be provided by the atmosphere. Similarly, water and minerals that will be provided by the soil. Chlorophyll that will be present generally in leaves or green part of plant. Sunlight, by sun. These four are the raw material for the autotrophic mode of nutrition. These four things are the raw material for autotrophic mode of nutrition. Carbon dioxide that will be provided by the atmosphere, water and minerals that will be provided by the soils, and chlorophyll that will be present in leaves or green part of plant, sunlight that will be provided by the sun. So you can say that if a green plant absorb carbon dioxide from air and water and minerals from soil, and due to presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it will be converted into glucose. This whole process is known as photosynthesis. Why it is called photosynthesis? Because here light is necessary. For synthesis of glucose, light is necessary. So that whole process, autotrophic mode of nutrition, is also known as photosynthesis. Synthesis due to presence of photo means light. Synthesis due to presence of light is called photosynthesis. So this whole process may be called photosynthesis, and that will be only occurs in green plant. Yes, photosynthesis in plant can be divided into two parts. The whole process of photosynthesis divided into two parts. First one is a light process, and second one is a dark process. Light process and dark process. Whole photosynthesis process is divided into two parts, light process and dark process. Light process takes place inside the grana of chlorophyll. Grana of chlorophyll. Grana of chlorophyll. You know the structure of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is double layered structure. It consists of a stalk like structure that is called grana, and fluid filled inside them is called matrix. This one is a matrix, and here this stalk like or coin like material is called grana. So light reaction always occurs in the grana of chlorophyll. Grana is a stalk like structure. It is light sensitive. Grana is a light sensitive part. Light sensitive part. So light reaction occurs in grana, but in dark process takes place in matrix. Matrix part of chlorophyll. Matrix part of chlorophyll. In light process, what happens? In light process, a splitting of water takes place. A splitting of water takes place. A splitting of water takes place. A splitting of water takes place in light reaction. In light reaction, a splitting of water takes place. Due to this splitting, hydrogen in the form of H plus and oxygen gas is released. Oxygen gas is released. So most important part here, in light process, a splitting of water takes place and oxygen gas is released. Oxygen gas is released during photosynthesis in which process? So in light process, oxygen gas is released. Oxygen gas released in photosynthesis comes from where? The oxygen gas released in light process from in photosynthesis from a splitting of water, from a splitting of water, and this H plus goes inside the matrix. This H plus goes inside the matrix of chlorophyll. This H plus goes inside the matrix of chlorophyll, where it combines with, here this H plus combines with carbon dioxide and form, and it will be converted into glucose. So in case of glucose, where the H comes, the H comes from glucose by splitted hydrogen atoms of water. This is the mechanism of photosynthesis. This is the mechanism of photosynthesis. This is the mechanism of photosynthesis. In light process, removal of oxygen takes place by splitting of water, and in dark process, synthesis of glucose takes place. In light process, splitting of water releases oxygen gas, and in dark process, synthesis of glucose takes place. This is the mechanism of photosynthesis. Okay. Whole photosynthesis can be explained by following reaction. 6CO2, 6 molecule of carbon dioxide that will be taken by the plant from atmosphere, 12 molecule of water that will be absorbed from soil, in presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll, there will be a splitting of water. First light reaction occurs, a splitting of water occurs, and due to a splitting of water, oxygen gas is liberated. Here you see 6 to the 12 oxygen atom is released from water. So oxygen is released from water, and third one, reduction of carbon dioxide takes place by taking H plus of splitted water. So it can be, we can write in whole process, first light reaction, splitting of water takes place. Due to this, removal of oxygen from water occurs. Second, a reduction of carbon dioxide by H plus released in photosynthesis in dark reaction and formation of glucose occurs. And in third, light energy converted into chemical energy. Light energy converted into chemical energy, and that chemical is glucose. Light absorbed by the green plant and light energy absorbed by the green plant, and that will be converted into chemical energy or chemical form in the form of glucose or starch in the form. Okay, so this is the summary of photosynthesis. Thank you. Next topic, that